I have the AeroHub off, so I thought I'd do a short video walking you through what I've learned about the LightShip and the components up here on the AeroHub. First, we have the Renogy battery, and this is a lithium battery. It's a smart battery. It's got its own BMS system, and it has a Bluetooth system. So you can download a Renogy app, and you can monitor the battery with a lot of details. This is something you can't even do in Atlas. So if you want to know the status of this battery, which is a very important component because it supplies power to all the automation in the LightShip, then you want the Renogy app. I have installed a harness to be able to charge the battery if it ever depletes using a lithium charger. And I'll put a link in this post to show you what lithium charger I'm using. Inside the AeroHub is the high voltage compressor down here and the associated plumbing for the HVAC refrigeration. On the back wall of the AeroHub are two black boxes, and those black boxes contain the fuses for the 12-volt system, most of the 12-volt system. Unfortunately, we don't have a fuse map yet. I understand that's coming in a revision of the owner's manual, but in there are all the fuses for the LightShip, with the exception of the canopy. The canopy fuses are up behind a magnetic panel about midships at the top of the canopy. So if you ever have to change a fuse up there, then that's how you get to those fuses. Unfortunately, we don't have a fuse map for that either, so you won't know which fuse is which up there. Next to the 12-volt fuses is the 12-volt to 48-volt DC-DC converter, and this converter supplies the power to the servos that drive the canopy up and down. And then next to that are three solar controllers. And the solar controllers control the output of the solar panels on the roof, and they feed it into this big box here, which is the 12-volt bus system. Everything 12-volt comes in and out of here behind this box. One other thing to note in this LightShip, may not be on yours, but over here there's a box against the front wall with a lot of wiring coming out of it. This LightShip is being constantly monitored, so it's collecting all of the data off the VCU and storing it here so it can be downloaded to troubleshoot problems that come up. And we have been using this box quite a bit to pull data off the LightShip. Yours may not have that. I don't know how many LightShips are going to equip with this data monitoring system over here. And finally, the LightShip's a big computer, and occasionally it needs to be rebooted. And I found the easiest way to reboot it is with these two plugs. There's one here, and there's one down here. And all you do is click it and pull it, and pull both of them. And what it does is turn off 12-volt power to the entire LightShip and then reinsert it again, and it basically reboots all the computers. So it's the reboot for the 12-volt system.